My cutest and easiest friendly bracelets ever. Hey guys, you may already know that I love bracelets. I love making them, giving them, and most of all, wearing them. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make 5 beautiful bracelets using string. These are perfect for beginners, super easy and fast to make. You can make them for yourself or your friends. I'll show you how. First, we're making this beautiful, colorful rope bracelet. You'll need a small piece of cardboard, any rounded object, a pencil, a button for the closure, 4 colors of embroidery string, and scissors. Start by making a simple bracelet loom. Take your rounded object and using a glass, place it on a piece of cardboard and outline the glass to get a circle. Cut it out with scissors. Mark the center of the circle and make 8 little lines on the outer edge, dividing the circle into 8 equal sections. Take the scissors and make short cuts along the line. The cuts should be about ½ inch long or shorter. Take your pencil again and push the tip through the center of the circle to get a little hole. And here we have a bracelet loom which we can reuse to make the bracelets for all our friends. Cut 4 pieces of embroidery string, each approximately 25 inches long. Fold the strings in half and knot them together like so. We have 8 strings coming out from